ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was at this move, we mentioned we have a divergence. We're looking for sell, and this is what we get. That's why we mentioned we're looking for the short-term sell. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage it. The only way to look for trade, put our entry below this. Anyway, if anyone is still they keep the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even if they can. If not, just stick with the trade. Okay, because we mentioned we see whether this is the start of the down move or we can expect this one turn to a deeper move similar to what we have here. Then from there we look for flat, and if we get a reversal, look for reversal. All right, anyway, right now we want to see again whoever get the sell from here, they should move their stop loss to break even. And if anyone wants to look for sell from here, the only way is again to put their entry below this. And what we want the price break sharply and continue the price tag, which is not moving within the first hour or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. Anyway, it depends on the traders because the best things was to look from here, and the way it's moving is really corrective. Selling from here again, it can be an option, but it depends on the traders. But how deep it can go, we're looking for 1.605 following by 1.55. We are expecting the price to drop to this soon. All right. The reason is we want to see whether the price can break or not. If the price can break, mostly we can consider this one as the start of the down move. If not, then any reversal from there, if we consider this one as a flat, we can look for buy. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on higher time frame. We prefer to go to daily chart. All right, as we can see here, based on daily chart, we mentioned we want to see whether this one can turn to a flat. If this one turn to a flat, mostly we can look for one more drop before we get the reversal in the bigger picture. Okay, and now if I move to forward chart, the only thing is we want to see whether this is the one we're looking for, start of the down move, or this one turn to a flat for one move up. For sure, if we get the sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade. But right now, we need to get the trade set up based on 1 hour chart. Because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can put this one in relative to this. I will explain. I don't need to explain again. And the only thing is the way dropping is really corrective. The only thing is whoever get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even. Selling from here can be an option, but we consider it as a short term because what we want the price break sharply and continue. If not, within the first hour we take out the trade. We know this one can turn to a flat for reversal. All right. Anyway, if the price drop with the breakout of this, if we see the price cannot break this zone, then any reversal also we can look for buy, as I explained, because we can right now we cannot confirm whether this is the start of the down move or a correction similar to what we have here. That's why we want to see the price drop some more. Then from there we see what's the next. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any reversal, I will share. Thanks.